Bismillah Rahman Rahim. We have come to Al Taos Al Fadhi Showroom. They sell used American cars, and the numbers are also clear. Let's go inside and let's have a glance. Like, what do they sell? Like, which cars they have specialized? It looks like they have many Toyota Corollas. Let's go inside. Uh, so this is like Toyota Corolla. I think like this is 2016. I'm not sure the model. A bit, like from the right side there is an accident. Okay, it looks like they are specialized in Toyota Corollas. They have Nissan also. That Nissan, Toyota. The cars are a bit struck, as I always tell. Like they, have a very high value in purchasing them. So let's go. Nissan Altima, Toyota Corolla. Again and again, you will see Toyota Corolla. This is Nissan Pathfinder. This car is struck in such a way that you don't get to know like which car is it, but seems this is Nissan Altima. It looks like Nissan Altima. You can see other cars also a bit far. Toyota Sienna is there. Okay, this looks like Toyota Highlander. Okay, this is Nissan Pathfinder. Nissan. So you can make a visit to this showroom. uh, Prices are always negotiable here for these cars. It's highly recommendable to visit Al Taos. You may get like a high value and a good deal. That's all for this showroom. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel.